Hello guys, and welcome to another video of this platform. Now in this video we're going to be taking a look at another platform that I basically have been using, and I'll basically share with you my honest experience. Now first of all, if you are living in most African countries that are not usually supported by surveys and stuff like that, then this video is basically worthless for you. It will be great for you to stop watching it now. But if you are living in places such as Europe, America, even South Africa, yes, this platform might be worth your time. So what you'll be doing here is basically simple. You'll be doing surveys, doing testing different applications, softwares, websites, things of that nature, applications. That is what you will be doing. So basically, as I've said, like I've registered on this platform, I've had the software for many days now, and I haven't received like literally anything, any test, any testing, so anything like that. So as you can see here, they've got like 1 million testers from all over the world. They've got 700 something happy clients. But actually this platform is basically legit. I've seen other people actually make some small cash on this platform, so it is in fact legit. Now, I've also read the reviews from one of the biggest channels and reviewing websites, and as you can see, like he's wrote that Userfeel is a legit site that will pay you for testing websites of their partners. It pays relatively well for the work. It can be fun, but you need to just know that it can take patience to find work, right? So yeah, that's the problem, finding work. Just like many survey websites, or testing platforms as well, it will be difficult for you to get any sort of like meaningful work in these platforms. So this platform basically works differently than many testers that I've seen, right? They don't do or conduct their tests on the website, or they're using like what do you call this, extensions. For this particular one, you have to download a certain application, right? They have an application for your Windows PC. They have the application for your Mac. So yeah, you have to download these things for your system, softwares, right? So then you have to install those things. Then you will be doing most of the work from that application alone. And they also do have like Androids phone as well. So when you're registering, you have to list almost the devices that you use, whether it's a PC, it's a phone, iPad. You have to list it there, right? Now, just to browse through the entire process, like how it looks like. Now, this is what the wallet will look like, right? In the top section here, we've got like kind of like raw. We've got like my account, training, test history, my wallet, demographics. Yeah, you can open them just to see what they look like. Like on the test, as you see, test history, I've never done any test. Now, it is worthless if you're living in these kind of third world countries or something like that. Now, if you want to start, pick one application that is basically suitable for a system. So personally, I use a PC, so I did download the Windows one. So as you can see on the side, on the paint test, I have literally like zero tests. Regardless of how much I refresh, I haven't received any test. Then on the side, we've got the rating test or rating improvement test, nothing. Right now, as I've said, like this platform is basically legit, and there are actually many people that have worked here, and not just from Europe or America, but from Africa as well. As you can see, it definitely works well in South Africa. As you can see from this guy called Gile Masilo, is from ZA. It's a South African. So yeah, they've worked here on this platform, and they actually love it. As you can see, like I said, like it's more reliable and trustworthy. I love the fact that whether you're new in the testing field, they're step-by-step guys are so simple and easy to get going. The payment is always on time. So great company to work with. So yeah, there's some great reviews. So guys, that's all about Userfeel, guys. So it's something that you might try if you are interested. And yeah, it's just free. It's something that it doesn't take time to kind of complete and easy to navigate. So you won't be wasting much of the time. But so if you want to just check it out, you can go to userfeel.com, download the application itself, and try it for yourself. So guys, thank you for watching this short video, and until then, see you on the next one.
Business plans, company profiles, letterheads, resumes, and proposals. All these are very important in setting up your business and yourself for success. Hi, my name is Koliambez and I'm a business writer, designer, and consultant. I specialize in crafting professional business documents and also offering consultancy services for different businesses across industries. The documents are well written, well researched, and professionally designed to suit each and every business needs. Now, get ready to stand out from competition and get your documents done today. You can reach out to me using the provided details, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.